And now shifting focus. Now, after 3 straight sessions of losses that rattled investor confidence and wiped out nearly 14 lakh crore in market value, Indian equities staged a sharp comeback on Thursday, snapping the losing streak in emphatic fashion. The BSE Sensex jumped as much as 821 points in early trade, while the Nifty 50 reclaimed the crucial 25,400 mark as a global risk on mood breathed life back into stocks. The Indian equity market closed in the red for the third straight session on Wednesday, extending a sharp sell-off that has wiped out nearly 14 lakh crore of investor wealth. Persistent global uncertainty and mixed corporate earnings kept sentiment under pressure, dragging the benchmark indices lower. Over the past 3 sessions, the Sensex has shed more than 160 points, while the Nifty 50 has declined around 2%. Dr. Sharad Kohli, senior economist, is joining me on the broadcast. Dr. Kohli, welcome. And how do you see this? And could you please simplify this for our viewers?
Good morning, Vaishali, to you and Newsx viewers. I think this is a rally which has come out of President Trump's ever-changing statements at Davos. He said he may, after all, not attack Greenland because the recent fall was because of his threat in geopolitics when there was an imminent threat of an attack on Greenland where the Europeans were willing to defend. They had deputed their military there. And now he says, no, I may not use force. He's also saying that he's met the Secretary General of NATO and he's going to discuss with him. So we're going to lay a framework, although I feel, Vaishali, with President Trump, you can never bank on a statement because it could be ever changing. One day he wants to attack Iran, the other day he doesn't want to. One day he wants to, invade Greenland and take it over. The other day he says, no, it's okay, we'll discuss, we'll talk about it, but I need it. So very inconsistent kind of approach and statement. So therefore, I think the rally is because of that, because the markets had reacted last couple of days very sharply. So we are seeing Nifty up by about 140 odd points. It was more in the morning, but I think the euphoria seems to be settling down, and I won't be surprised if the market loses the gain it has made in the morning because the market remains open till 3:30. So all because of, I would say, Trump tantrums and, the euphoria created by Donald Trump. Either way, we need to wait and see. The undertone of the market is still not very good because geopolitics and geoeconomics both are counting on the market. The tariff threats here and there. He keeps threatening every other country with tariffs. That is spooking the market. So too early to say that the markets have turned around and back in the green after the onslaught we saw yesterday, Vaishali.
And Dr. Kohli, my second and final question to you is that, which sectors are most vulnerable if earnings disappoint further?
Well, I think small cap and mid cap, Vaishali, are the most vulnerable. If you saw yesterday when the Sensex was down heavily, small caps and mid caps came heavily. Well, for the benefit of Newsx viewers, small caps are the one which have market cap of 5,000 crores and mid caps are the one with the market cap of 5,000 to 20,000 crores. Because these are the companies which have lesser exposure, they have a smaller capital, their business risks are higher. Although when they gain, investors also gain more than the large caps who are more stable. So I think instead of sectors, it will be better to look at capitalization, Vaishali, where we saw big hammering coming down when the market fell in a big way yesterday.
Thank you, Dr. Kohli, for joining me on Newsx. Now, from the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland,